My name is Sakshi Gandhi and I come from Surat, Gujarat, and I'm studying in BITS Pilani, Goa campus. I'm a student of 6th semester and my degree is in the field of Masters in Economics and Engineering in Computer Science. I'm a photography enthusiast. I've been carrying a camera since I was 8. So we've already done an edition of a conference on February 12th this year, 2013, and we are looking forward for new ideas about how to conduct this whole project in future, and also if we could look forward to some monetary support. So we had around 9 speakers in February, and this event was conducted. It's called Mark My Word, and it was a conference, India's first design and content conference. It was held in BITS Pilani, Goa campus. As of now, we are interested in focusing on anybody who has even the mildest interest in designing and who wants to explore that side of his interest. Maybe not take it just as a hobby and ditch it कि नहीं मेरे मम्मी पापा बोलेंगे तो मुझे इंजीनियरिंग या आर्किटेक्चर या डॉक्टरी यही करना है. Probably अगर मुझे कार्टून बनाना अच्छा लगता है तो maybe I can develop on that. So we will be trying to target people, children, as well as anything from age group of 15 to 30. Probably even if I'm a housewife, and I have been always sitting and designing jewelry, and I've not done any professional with it, and maybe I want to do something with it. So we've been looking at a wide range. We want to make people realize that there is a lack of designers, and it's not a suppressed field. So in terms of ideas, we have a vague idea of what we want to do, but even we are not convinced that if this will actually guide the purpose through. So if there are other people who have similar ideas and similar interests, are welcome to join with us. The mentors we have right now are the people who spoke in the last conference. We are in constant contact with them because the first conference that we did was a pure initiative. We had no mentors. And since then, after speaking to people who came and attended the event and talking to them, with their feedback, we are still in constant communication with them about what they would see this as a future project. So right now, we have Miss Vivian To, who has been constantly commenting on how Malaysian scene is and how Indians can improvise, and Mr. Akshar Pathak and Asim Trivedi. So we have multiple mentors, and we look at how, and one of my friend is already working with King Siddharth. He's a UIX engineer and he also spoke at the conference. So he's the basic mentor who's been taking